Today, we're diving into a full review of PromptBuddy. Is it really worth your time and money, or just another overhyped AI tool? I personally tested it, explored all the features, the pros, the cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether or not it's the right fit for you. So stick around, you definitely don't want to miss this one. And if you want to know more about the product, or grab any special bonuses, check the link in. The AI market is exploding. Here's how you can benefit. The global AI tools market is projected to grow from $184 billion in 2024 to over $826 billion by 2030. This explosive growth represents a massive opportunity for creators and businesses looking to capitalize on AI-driven solutions. PromptBuddy places you at the forefront of this booming market by giving you the tools to generate and sell high-quality prompts that businesses are actively seeking. AI prompts are in high demand, with over 100,000 monthly searches for terms like ChatGPT prompts and AI art prompts. Businesses, content creators, and entrepreneurs are all searching for ready-to-use, effective prompts to boost productivity and creativity. With PromptBuddy's advanced tools and preloaded store of 80,000 plus prompts, you can meet this demand and position yourself as a trusted supplier in the growing AI economy. Freelancers on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are cashing in on the AI prompt trend, charging $50 to $150 per project based on complexity and customization. PromptBuddy allows you to create high-quality, advanced prompts in minutes, enabling you to offer competitive services without the time-consuming trial and error. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just starting, this tool can give you a significant edge. In today's fast-paced digital world, the demand for high-quality AI prompts is skyrocketing. But here's the reality: every moment you delay, others are stepping ahead and profiting from this booming market. By choosing not to act now, you risk falling behind in ways you may not realize. AI tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, and DALL-E 3 are transforming industries, and those who embrace them early are reaping the rewards. Your competitors are already using advanced prompts too. By not leveraging PromptBuddy, you risk being overshadowed by others who are building their authority and growing their profits. The AI prompt market is still in its early stages, but it's growing rapidly. Right now, the competition is low, and the entry barriers are minimal. PromptBuddy allows you to. Crafting effective AI prompts isn't just challenging, it's time-consuming and costly. Without PromptBuddy, you'll spend countless hours testing and refining prompts manually. Pay freelancers $50 to $150 per prompt to do the work for you. Waste money on tools and services that don't offer the scalability or automation PromptBuddy provides. With PromptBuddy's advanced generators and bulk prompt creator, you can save time, money, and energy while scaling your business faster. The AI revolution is happening now, and PromptBuddy is your chance to get ahead of the curve. Don't look back in a year and regret missing the opportunity to be part of the next big wave in AI-driven business. Act today and claim your spot in this booming market before it's too late. PromptBuddy isn't just a tool, it's a game changer for anyone looking to tap into the booming AI market. Whether you're a seasoned professional or someone just starting out, PromptBuddy is designed to empower a wide range of users with its ease of use and cutting-edge features. Deliver better results faster, create advanced, tailored prompts for your clients in seconds. Expand your service offerings, use the bulk prompt creator to generate prompts across multiple niches, giving you a competitive edge. Boost your earnings, spend less time on each project and take on more clients without compromising quality. Monetize your creativity. Use the advanced MidJourney and DALL-E 3 prompt generators to craft stunning art prompts your audience will love. Sell preloaded prompts instantly. With 80,000 plus ready-to-sell prompts, you can start earning from day one. Diversify your revenue streams, add prompt selling to your existing portfolio and build a new, scalable income source. Monetize your creativity. Use the advanced MidJourney and DALL-E 3 prompt generators to craft stunning art prompts your audience will love. Sell preloaded prompts instantly. With 80,000 plus ready-to-sell prompts, you can start earning from day one. Diversify your revenue streams, add prompt selling to your existing portfolio and build a new, scalable income source. If you're ready to save time, increase your earnings, and take advantage of the growing demand for AI prompts, then PromptBuddy is the perfect tool for you. Whether you're a freelancer, creator, business owner, or beginner, PromptBuddy simplifies the process and opens the door to unlimited